G'day guys, welcome back to the channel. Now I thought I'd share something I do, I've been doing a little bit behind the scenes. Not everything's for YouTube, but I thought, you might be interested in this. It's These are two of my turntables. They're Gerard 401s. So as you probably know, they're a pretty high-end turntable. And I've been restoring these things starting from scratch. This is a long-term project because until I retired, I haven't been able to keep up with the work at home as well as my job. So now we're back onto jobs like this. And well, for instance, this is what I've got at the moment. Now, this has not long been recoated, and that's the turntable at the moment. That's one of them. The other one is this one here, which is pretty well complete. I do have the motor out of it at the moment, working on it, but I need it complete to help me put the other one back together, and vice versa when it's finished. So I didn't know whether you guys would be interested in this. There's the actual platter itself, a very, very heavy platter. And yeah, this looks a little bit of a mess. Yeah, I'll give you a little bit closer look of what it actually is. There you go. All right. So dirty and lots of dry grease. It needs a full service, which I've been doing. The second turntable, well, yeah, there's the bits and pieces. Yeah, that's going to take a little bit of putting together. At the moment, I'll bring this over here a bit. I've been working, excuse the shaking of the camera. There we go. I've been working on the motor. And as you can see, I've got him running there. And an interesting thing with these motors that I've never seen on a turntable before, the speed control, or well, if I go over here, it's a plus and minus on the speed control, continuously variable. Now this is an AC motor. How they do it is with a magnet, and the magnet comes in and goes over the disc on the motor and slows him down and speeds him up. Now, what an ingenious idea that is. But anyway, that's what I'm doing at the moment. I didn't know whether you guys would like to follow me through this. Would you like to see bit by bit of putting this together? It's they're a fairly nifty piece of gear, and yeah, well, hopefully we'll end up with two good turntables if I ever get the thing finished. But yeah, that's the project in the background that I'm working on. Give me a yell if you'd like to see more of this, or you don't want to see me doing it, or yeah, just let me know. Do you know anyone that's got these? A Gerard 401, a Gerard, as they say in the UK, 401. And there we go. There's the bits and pieces. So that's what we've got to get together and working. So you can see why I need that one in its former glory before I pull the whole thing to pieces and start doing it. Righto, guys. I thought I'd share this one with you. Just let me know if it's of interest to you. And yeah, if you If you like it, give us a thumbs up so I'll know how many people like it. And if you want to follow me on it, if I do go ahead, click the subscribe and hit the bell. And that'll notify you when I'm putting the next one of these up. All right, we'll get on to something else that's already on the bench.